what is a deductible? And then what are some of the common types of deductibles somebody might see and the differences between them?
Sure. So a deductible is an amount that you will pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in to cover a condition. And there are different types of deductibles. Many deductibles that you see, and some of the deductibles that we're most familiar with in human healthcare are annual deductibles. And you'll see this with your car insurance. Hey, you have insurance for this time period, and if you have a problem with your vehicle, then you have to pay $500 out of pocket before insurance will kick in to cover the rest. And so that can be true in pet insurance as well, where you have that annual reoccurring deductible. Trupanion's deductible is a lifetime per condition deductible, meaning that if your pet were to come down with, let's say, diabetes, and you had a $500 deductible for that condition, once you've met that deductible for that condition, you never have to meet it again for that same condition over the pet's lifetime. So it's not that you have to repay it every year. It is simply once you've met it that one time for that one particular condition, you never have to meet it again. If that same pet with diabetes were to later come down with cancer, that would be a separate condition and you would have to meet that deductible again. But again, it would just be once in the pet's lifetime versus having to pay it out of pocket annually or even annually by condition. And so those are the big differences in deductibles across different policies.
And I would imagine that basically when you look at it, the higher the deductible, the lower your monthly cost is going to be.
That's absolutely right. So the way I like to think of it is if in any given day of the week, something unexpected were to happen and you had to take your pet in for care, what would you be most comfortable with paying out of pocket that day? And that's essentially what you can afford to pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in.